has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message.
Alright, I know I shouldn't be calling you right now, but I just have these feelings that's all bottled up and shit. And I just gotta let it all out. Just hear me out for once.
It's 2:30 a.m. and I still can't sleep. I remember back then, it used to be so sweet. Waking up to you was my favorite thing to do. You replaced my heart with someone else's. You couldn't imagine how it felt it. It's such a sad story. Rain came down pouring, destroyed all of our dreams. It's never really what it seems. The lies you tell to me, it hurts endlessly. From the beginning it was never meant to be. Meant to be. Calm down, girl, that's what I said to you. I try to palm this world and give it all to you. Calm down, girl, don't walk away. Calm down, girl, before you throw it all away. Calm down. It took a month for me to be okay. You told me once that you'll see me one day. I still got
A picture frame of us when your little sister came with us. The hat you bought for me, your extra car key, your sweaters in my closet. You gave it back because I bought it.
and I get it, we wasn't happy, but I did my part, you didn't do yours. And we always worked it out before. You accused another girl left me. I know you don't trust me, but don't judge me. I used to think that I was lucky. Calm down, girl. Oh, calm down. That's what I said to you. I try to palm this world. I try to palm this world to you and hand it to you. Calm down, girl. Calm down, calm. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. Calm down, girl. Chapter. Voice for it all away.
You need to calm down, you tripping way too much. Listen, I said calm down, girl, you talking way too much. Every time you boil up, you startle me up, you start to say too much. And it's evident, every time you blaming me, it's plain to see you're just way too arrogant. You telling me you're on a move, right? But every time I get missed calls, it's always my fault, you make me choose, right? I know I got these feelings bottled up, and in my best interest, you should at least follow up.
Calm down, baby, just calm down. Calm down, girl. Calm down, girl. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. Just calm down. You've been mad all day. You've been mad all day. Calm down, girl. Calm down, girl. That's what I said to you. I try to